What are you doing, Dork? Okay, yeah, you fit there. Sure, why not? Oh, your butt was so big you barely got out. Want Daddy to make you a new house? Okay, Daddy will make you a new house. What do you think, Bo? You like it? Come in. Check it out. Come here. Okay, just walk away, dude. Gosh. All I wanted to do was love you. Bye. Don't you like your house, dude? Don't look away. Are you ashamed of your dad for getting his foot stuck in the toy? Bo! Yeah, do you like your little new house? Got red carpeting and everything. You so fancy.